The murder trial of Scott Hickman resumed today in Washington County Common Pleas Court. Hickman is charged with multiple counts of murder and aggravated murder for the 1995 deaths of Kimberly Fulton and her 17-month-old son, Daniel. The prosecution continued to develop its case today, interviewing witnesses with the Ohio State Fire Marshal's Office and the Washington County Sheriff's Office about the evidence collected from the Fultons' burnt mobile home in March of 1995. Don Eifler, a former investigator for the Fire Marshal's Office, testified they were unable initially to determine the cause of the fire in the Fultons' home. When key evidence was re-examined 3 years ago, gasoline was identified on an article of clothing belonging to Kimberly Fulton. This allowed investigators to determine that the fire was not accidental. The trial will start again tomorrow morning at 9.